In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment on a Xero invoice. This is our updated 2025 tutorial, and by the end of it, you'll have a complete understanding of how to manage your invoices efficiently, making it easier for your clients to pay you. We'll break down the entire process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Once there, navigate to the Business tab and then select Invoices. This is where all your invoicing magic happens. If you have existing invoices, you can choose one to work on. Alternatively, you can create a new invoice by clicking on the New Invoice button. As you fill out your invoice, make sure to enter all the necessary client details such as their name and address alongside the items or services you're billing for and their respective amounts. This is crucial as precise information ensures a smooth process for both you and your clients. Once your invoice is set up, it's time to enable your online payment options. Look for the online payments section within the invoice interface. Here you have the flexibility to choose from several payment methods, such as credit or debit cards through services like Stripe or PayPal. You can also offer your clients the option to pay via bank transfer or direct credit, which is a great alternative for certain transactions. With your payment options set, the next step is to configure your payment settings. Head over to Settings and select Payment Services. Choose the payment provider you wish to connect, whether it's Stripe, PayPal, or any other supported platform. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely link your account. Once this is done, you can save and send your invoice with ease. Before you send it off, make sure to approve the invoice or save it as a draft depending on where you are in the billing process. And to dispatch the invoice, simply email it to your client or share the invoice link directly with them. Now, let's touch on what happens once your client receives the invoice. Your clients will see a convenient Pay Now button right on the invoice. This button allows them to pay instantly using any of the enabled payment methods you've set up. Once the payment is made, Xero automatically records it for you, reducing the stress of manual tracking and ensuring your records remain accurate. There you have it, a streamlined process to add payment options to your invoices in Xero. Following these steps will not only make your invoicing more efficient, but also enhance the client experience, allowing them to pay you seamlessly. Thanks for tuning in and happy invoicing.